Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that pops up a lot in politics, interviews, and awkward moments. The word is gaffe. Yep, that one. So, how do you say it? Let's find out. The correct pronunciation is gaffe. Let's break it down step by step. It rhymes with laugh, just swap the L with a G. There's no silent letters, no fancy sounds, just gaffe. Say it with me, gaffe. One more time, gaffe. Nice work. So, what does gaffe mean? A gaffe is a mistake, usually a public one. It could be saying the wrong thing at the wrong time or doing something socially awkward. For example, he made a gaffe during the speech and everyone cringed. That interview gaffe went viral. Did you know? Gaffe comes from French, where it originally meant blunder or clumsy remark. And even though it looks fancy, it's super simple to say, just gaffe. Quick spelling tip. It's spelled Gaffe. But that E at the end, totally silent. So just stick with gaffe. Now that you know how to pronounce gaffe, you'll be ready to say it confidently, even if someone else makes one. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who loves words as much as you do. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.